This is the Google Pixel Watch 4, the smartwatch Google says will finally fix the things that mattered before. Better battery? Check. Brighter screen? Check. AI that actually feels useful? Well, kind of. After living with this on my wrist for weeks, I'm here to cut past the ad hype and tell you what this thing's really like in everyday life and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Google Pixel Watch 4 Product Overview. Okay, so what exactly is the Pixel Watch 4? It's Google's newest flagship wearable, released in October 2025, designed primarily for Android users who want a balanced mix of smart features, health tracking, and Google ecosystem synergy. This is Wear OS 6 on your wrist, powered by Qualcomm's improved Snapdragon W5 Gen 2, with a dedicated coprocessor for efficiency. It comes in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, starting around $349/$399 for the Wi-Fi models. LTE costs extra. The big pitches here are a brighter, domed Actua 360 display, multi-day battery life, and built-in Gemini-powered AI, all while keeping the classic circular look Pixel fans know. Google Pixel Watch 4 Performance. Let's talk about how the Pixel Watch 4 feels to use day to day, and here's the core truth. It's smooth for most stuff, but it's not transformative. Swiping through menus, navigating Wear OS 6, launching workouts, or firing up notifications feels reliably responsive. Even with Gemini voice prompts and notifications flying in, I didn't experience the kind of stutter that plagued earlier Pixel watches. That is thanks to the combination of Qualcomm's chip and that efficiency-focused coprocessor. In real life, that means quick replies to texts, fast access to Google services, and no frustrating pauses when switching between tiles. But, and this is important, it's still fundamentally a smartwatch, not a mini phone on your wrist. Heavy AI tasks offload to your phone or the cloud, so don't expect desktop-level smarts mid-workout. Wear OS 6 is clean and polished, but some gesture interactions, like the raise to talk to activate Gemini, can feel a bit finicky at first. For everyday tasks, reminders, music control, timers, heart rate checks, it just works and feels significantly better than earlier Pixel generations. Features and tech. Here are the standout real-world features and why they matter. 1. Actua 360 display. This isn't just bright, it feels bright. With up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness and thinner bezels, outdoor readability is excellent and animations feel lively and punchy. 2. Gemini and raise to talk. Instead of saying, "Hey Google" every time, you can raise your wrist and talk to Gemini. It's faster and more natural, especially while you're juggling coffee or a grocery list, even if it's not always perfect. 3. Battery life and charging. Battery historically has been the Pixel Watch's Achilles heel, but the 4 finally pushes past just one day. Expect about 30 hours on the 41mm and around 40 on the 45mm, with Battery Saver extending that significantly if you need it. Rapid charging tops you up fast. About 15 minutes gets you roughly half a day's usage. Design and build. Aesthetically, Google didn't reinvent the wheel here, but what they refined feels premium. The circular case, recycled aluminum body, and those smooth curves give a classier look compared to boxy competitors. The domed Actua 360 glass doesn't just look cool, it makes reading tiny text and interacting with tiles more intuitive because the screen visually wraps toward your touch. It's water-resistant to 5 ATM and IP68, so pool dips and beach days are fine, but it's not a rugged adventure companion like ultra-class watches. Pros: much better battery life and fast charging. Satellite SOS and accurate fitness tracking. Clean, premium design with repairable hardware. Cons: some fitness metrics lag behind dedicated sports watches. Fitbit integration quirks and premium features behind subscription. Final verdict: if you're an Android user who wants a premium smartwatch that feels good all day, Smooth performance, bright display, solid health tracking, and genuinely useful AI, the Pixel Watch 4 is a top pick in 2025. For Pixel phone users, it's especially compelling thanks to tight sync and thoughtful polish. Wear OS Material 3 means notifications, tiles, and app interactions feel mature and intuitive. But if you're an ultra-serious athlete who needs marathon-grade battery or granular fitness metrics, you might still look elsewhere. And iPhone users, this one's made for Android first. At its price range, this feels like the most complete Android smartwatch experience right now. Cool tech married with practical usability.